pretty nasty. It's probably going to be the best weather, but headed up there now. They're talking snow, but hopefully the other people will be wrong. Let's go, Luz. Lucy loves the camper. Come on, get in. Time to go. Load up. Come on, get in. Let's go. All right, let's go camping. Come on, Lucy. Come over here.
Bad weather like hail, sleet, wind, snow. Come to a Wisconsin WomenFish event. Guaranteed. Every time.
BadgerFarmGirl here. Just arrived. It's 35 degrees. We're at Red Banks. I think I'm going to be the only idiot or crazy person camping this weekend. A lot of people are bugged out because of the weather. Probably going to be snowing tomorrow, but that's okay. Everything's fine. Life could be worse. Well, here we are at Red Banks. It's got done sleeting and snowing. It's Friday. There's the sign. And there's the way. I don't know. I'm soaked from putting the camper out, taking the dog out for a walk now, since it stopped raining. But thank God there's a bar here, because I think we're going to be in it quite a bit. So I'm going to go check in on the cabins. There's some folks here already, so stay tuned. Get in the camper. So here's where I'm staying this weekend. Nice and small. Tell red's my color. And I'm ready. Bring the weather on! It's going to be a weekend. Here we are. I think this is bad now. Just wait till tomorrow. Fun times. We can handle it.
I have
Where are you going?
fish on my pillow.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. I had to come right in here.
Where are you going all dressed up?
Yeah. Don't tell anybody.
Who's got in your bucket?
I'm gonna get minnows.
Are you going out?
No, my fish out the dock.
Okay. Barbara's asking who's got their boat out. I said nobody.
Oh, I can't. I need help.
You need help? We'll help you.
I know. I'm just gonna fish out the dock right now.
All right. That was my plan too. I'll fish off the dog. Did you get a new backpack?
Yeah, my
It's the same
little
color
one.
as mine, but mine's bigger.
Yes, you aren't those nice?
Yeah.
I love them.
I love them.
I love it. It's a real, I wanted a little one because I can't carry a lot of heavy stuff.
Well, and the big ones, they're too big. I mean, I can put all the camera equipment in my big ones.
Next time it's better weather for you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much. Is he serious? Good question. Well, Boat's not going in, but I dare you to go in the water. Go right in the water. Got there, Chris?
I lost it.
Did you? So where's your fish?
It's hanging on the stringer. Right there.
Right there. Well, here comes another happy camper.
I left my stool in my car.
Look! Chris is on the board. She's got breakfast tomorrow. Here you go. Nice little walleye. Come on, let me see your... Big, but it's not gonna taste.
It's not real big, but I'm going to have it for breakfast
Oh,
tomorrow.
that's the perfect size for frying up.
Walleye and eggs for breakfast. Can't
Okay,
beat
now
that.
don't put it back yet. Alright, the rain has stopped. I'm going in with Barb. She's got a nice Lund boat with a big Mercury motor on it. So we're going to take advantage of this break in the rain and we'll catch some walleye. Yeah, it's her rod. Listen to the sound of this motor, man. You don't even know it's going. It's a Mercury 4-stroke 200 Pro. Homegrown in Wisconsin. No, we don't need rods. This is fish. We're good. See, if you were really with Barb Carey, the real Barb Carey would have a kite out here.
I thought about bringing the kite. It's too windy for a kite even.
I know. Oh shit, and I forgot Barbie the parachute doll. Damn it!
Get Barbie the parachute doll?
Yeah. You haven't met her yet.
So I'm thinking if we can pull up around these bends, we might be out of the wind enough.
Well, that's where they were getting them in Red Bank, anchored right south.
Then we're gonna go to 4 ways. We'll have 4 ways. Anyway, this is Barbie, the model for black clothing. Go down the runway.
Will you pull me out when I...
Well, I get the honors of pulling her out. So, this ought to be good. This ought to be good, baby. This ought to be good. Damn, I wish I had a mount for the back there, but I Ain't happening. I'm waiting for the word. Let me know when. Hey, my backpack's on this other side here. You always gotta check your drain plugs.
Yeah, I think this plug is goofy. I gotta get a different plug.
Unless the cold doesn't make helping either.
Well,
Can't do that.
this is fucking. I think it was